Hello guys, welcome back to another video. These things were loading very slow. I'm here and I will be talking about the news. So this is the January 5th and it says just in time for the new year, Octofoxes have returned to Jamal, so it talks about that. The new daily spin, we already all know about that. Oh yeah, and that's for members if you wanted to know, so go get your membership. This is a Pet Octofox Snowfoot. Sorry guys, I'm not reading it. And then the Phantom Fortress, so I'm not really going to read it today because, yeah. So before this video, I was trading people. So I pretty much got lots of stuff. I got these three stuff like that. So I got the new Snowfoot then, and I don't really know about this video, so let's check on what party zone, and I guess we're gonna trade there. So I guess I can tell you, like, if you're wondering how I got these, this is what I did. I danced. I said trade me. Make sure you have lots of good items on trade. They will trade you like lots, like spikes and stuff like that. Whatever item you put on trade, just make sure it's good. Like this ladybug hat would be a good item on trade. See if I even have it. Yeah, so this is what I'm offering, all these stuff. So let's see if anyone wants to trade me. This takes a long time to trade people, guys. Dismount, so might want to run around. And yeah, wait. There's a shop here? I never knew. Oh, you can like change. See, there's a cute one. Oh, that wolf one was cute. Let's get that wolf one.
Hey everyone, it's Lauren from AOGamer330.
Whoa, that was just him, guys. Yeah, I was just watching some videos. It kind of just like happened. Don't know why that happened, guys. So I want to play a few. So you can go in Jamal, dance, say, trade me, I have rails. I don't know if that worked. I never said I have rails, but I just said trade me fail. But trade me fail usually works a lot. So yeah, trade me, I have rails. Literally, I have a rail in my head, so you better believe I had rails. I'll play for them. No. So yeah, if you want rails to fast, I would do this because it helps me a lot. Trade me, I have rails. My trade. Wow, that's actually very good. Trade me, I have rails. I'm gonna get a pet out. I want my newest pet member of the family. I'm gonna actually customize him better. Yeah, I also have the toy box 21. Yeah. See if they have anything else I like. What? I'm gonna keep my outfit on. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my outfit on. name's Fuzzy Putt. Auto trade. Let's try trading this. Let's give you that necklace and some outfits. So let's say she accepts. Wow. I'll also be doing a mail time soon, so if you want to send me some gifts, these gifts. They're all open, everyone can send me stuff. Please don't be a troll, like, close your eyes. It's a surprise, and like it's a necklace, it's very good, but I don't really like this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video off there. So, bye guys!